Welcome to Apex Fencing, Pinehurst's trusted name in quality fence installation. We believe a great fence is more than just a boundary. It's a statement. From design to https://apexfencing.us installation, our team is committed to https://apexfencing.us, bringing your vision to https://apexfencing.us, life with craftsmanship you can count on. Whether you seek security, privacy, at 336, 523, 4892, or style, we've got you covered. We specialize in a wide range of fencing solutions to meet your needs, including wood, aluminum, vinyl, and chain link fences. Each option offers unique benefits tailored to https://apexfencing.us, your preferences. No matter the material, every project is handled with attention to https://apexfencing.us detail, and a dedication to https://apexfencing.us excellence. Our skilled team ensures your fence is both functional and beautiful. Serving Pine Bluff and surrounding areas, including Aberdeen, Asheboro, Burlington, and Greensboro, our reach extends to https://apexfencing.us, over 20 locations across North Carolina. Wherever you are, Apex Fencing is just a call away. Ready to https://apexfencing.us transform your outdoor space? Call us today at 336-523-4892 at 336, 523, 4892, or visit our website at apexfencing.us to https://apexfencing.us schedule your free consultation.